Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, hi, I'm Janiece, and in today's video I'm going to be installing this beautiful hair that was sent to me from Yolissahair. As you guys can see, it's given a Barbie, it's given blondie. I'm very excited. It looks so freaking good and it was very easy and very quick to install. This hair is 22 inches and it came pre-curled. I didn't have to curl it once more, nothing. I don't have any products in here. This is literally how it came out of the box and it looks so good. The curls retain beautifully. I don't know why I'm doing all this talking. You guys will see in the video how easy it was. It's also a 13x4 HD lace wig, and as you guys can see, can you guys see that the lace came out beautifully, and I only used a free spray. I used my Got2b. I didn't use any other glue and it laid down great and it's very secure. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and all the information to this hair and to the brand will be in my description box below, so you guys can go check them out if you're interested. And let's just get right on with the video. My glue is drying, so you can go ahead and lay this. Alright, just lay the hair down, and I just want to use the band. This band is also from Yolissahair. They sent it to me, which is great, and just to secure it. So alright, it's been a few minutes, so I think I'm ready to cut the lace. Let me just clip this back once more to get all the hair out of the way before I start cutting. I'm done cutting it, and this side is lifting a bit, so I'm just going to go back over what I got to be, and I'm going to tie it up again. Alright, at this point, let me just unclip the hair and see what we're working with. The band is off and the lace is looking very good. I just need to conceal the middle part because you can kind of see the wig cup underneath. So I'm going in with a neutral eyeshadow palette and just taking a shade that matches my complexion, and we're just going to put that in there. Alright, this is what the hair is looking like. I was thinking of cutting it to give it some layers, but once I brushed it out, it looks pretty good and has enough volume for me. I just want to flatten the top, so I'm taking my wax stick and heating up my hot comb. Just to give it that volume on the top, I use my hot comb in this direction so it doesn't need to, like, you know, flatten my head. Alright guys, the hair is looking pretty good. I want to do my edges. So I'll just clip it back one more time. So I just have my edge control gel. And I'm going to do like 2 swoops on the side. So let me brush some hair out. Alright, and I'm basically done. The hair is looking very beautiful, honestly. It looks really good. And I've brushed out the curls several times, but they're still very curly, so that is good. I was really scared in the beginning about brushing them out, but they've still retained the curls. And yeah. And I also haven't added any product to this hair. I was thinking of adding some oil, but it already has a shine, so I feel like it's good. Maybe if I wear it like a second time, then I would. But straight out of the box, you don't need to add any products. You can just throw it on. Yeah, this is what it's looking like now that I'm done with the install. It's very much giving Barbie. I wish I had this like when the whole Barbie trend was going on. But yeah, it's really soft. The quality of the hair is really good. Obviously it's human hair, and it was just very easy to install. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you're interested in this hair or you want to check out any other hair that Yolissa Hair sells, all their information will be in my description box below, so definitely go check them out. Yeah. And with that being said, I'll be back on more videos. Peace.